How to see your card number on Bank of America app. Hello guys, and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can see your card number on Bank of America app. Now before we start, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let us begin. First of all, what you'll need to do is you'll need to log into your Bank of America mobile banking app. And after you've logged into it, access the Manage Card Settings page. To do that, select your account from your Account Overview page, go to Information and Services tab. After that, tap on Show Link in the Account Details section, and after you tap on it, you will be able to see all of your details regarding your account. Now, under there, you will be able to find details such as your card number, your account number, your CVV, your expiration date, and so much more. And that is basically it. That is how you see your card number on Bank of America app. And that is all for this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and stay tuned.